Hi guys, it's Charmaine coming to you with the KraftGeek JustTap tripod and selfie stick. That's what I like about this. You can use it as a tripod or extend it and it's with a selfie stick. The other great thing about it is it's compact. It's about 15 inches. I toss it in my backpack when I'm traveling or if I'm going out to record content. You can also store it in your tote bag. Easy. Why is it JustTap? You press the button at the bottom and it pops open for the tripod. Wonderful. On here you'll see magnetic is the Bluetooth shutter that will connect to your phone. So with your tripod's over there and you're over here, you can easily still control the camera app on your phone. Very important. And on the feet, there are sturdy grips that are rubber. So it's not sliding all over the place. Makes it nice and easy. This is mag safe. So your phone connects right to it with the case. Otherwise, they give you a little ring that you can glue to your phone case and it will attach. You'll see these hinges here. So if you want to get a camera angle that way, if you want the down angle, you do it that way. So the hinge is here and the hinge is here. The other thing I like about it is showing you as a selfie stick. Close it up. It extends all the way out to like 66 inches. So your phone is there. And you still have the shutter button. So you're not worried about, this is out of frame, but I'm gonna lower it so you can see. You don't have to worry about trying to reach up to get it. You easily control it with the shutter. So you're still controlling your camera even though it's extended to selfie position. The same thing applies as a tripod is over there. You can use it easy. The other thing that I like, because it just taps, easy to open, easy to close. You're not juggling with anything to balance your phone, balance your tripod. It's all there. Mag safe, collapsible, portable, travel with it. I like to take it if I'm filming content outside or if I'm on the go, travel, pop it in my suitcase and I'm ready. So again, the KraftGeek JustTap tripod. Excellent to add to your content creator toolkit.